guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be sharing my shaving routine with you all. I know there are lots of myths which are associated with shaving, that it makes your hair grow back thicker, coarser and darker, but believe me, there is nothing of that sort. I am doing this from last 4 years and it has given me some amazing benefits, from making my makeup looking flawless to making the absorption of skincare products better in the skin. I am following this routine from past 4 years, and there is certain post care which needs to be followed once you shave your face, because your skin is sensitive, and if you do not follow those steps, you might end up having zits, pimples and infection. So yes, today I will be telling you all of this in detail. So without further ado, we are quickly gonna be diving in.
So guys, the first step is gonna be using Serona's aloe vera post wax and shave gel. It consists of green tea extract. It has aloe vera which naturally helps in soothing the skin, and it has antioxidant which also helps in reducing skin irritation. It helps in giving a very cool sensation to the skin, and it also helps in reducing the rashes and the redness which you might get post shaving. And this one is dermatologically tested, guys. So I take a little bit and I apply it all over my skin wherever I want to shave. So the main one is going to be the peach fuzz, the little hair on the chin, the upper lip and also the forehead. Shaving helps in removing all the dead skin cells that you have on the face, and it also helps in giving you a very smooth and beautiful base to work on. Now once I get done with this, I am going to be moving on to using facial razors, and today I will be using these facial razors by Serona. It has a sleek anti-grip handle which is made up of wheat straw and ABS plastic. The quality is amazing, guys. The blade is made from rust-free stainless steel blade which helps in removing your extra hair from your eyebrows, your upper lip, forehead and peach fuzz. It has a very sleek design, and it also helps in giving you close shave with zero cuts. I love shaving the face, guys, because it is painless and you get rid of those nasty hair without going to the parlor. So I do this like once a month and you're gonna be good to go. This is a dermaplaning tool, and I remove my eyebrows hair. I even go for my upper lip, forehead, peach fuzz. On the chin and side ones, if you have, this is gonna work equally great there. It is not gonna take beyond 5 minutes, guys. Make sure that you are doing this process on clean skin and you have nothing on the face. Now once you get done with this, you can clean the razor and put it back in its plastic cover, and we are going to be moving on to second step. I clean my face and then I go on to icing the face. Now when you put ice on the skin, it just helps in calming any kind of irritation you might have, and it also helps in soothing the skin. This is not going to give you any cuts, no pain, nothing, so you do not need to worry about any of those. Just apply the ice in the affected area. Whenever I go for any hair removal, guys, I make sure that I apply ice because it just helps in calming your skin. It's great for your skin anyways. It helps in making your skin glowing. Now we are going to be moving on to next step, and that is going to be sheet mask. Any kind of hair removal, guys, I know that shaving is painless, but it is little traumatic to the skin. So what I do is I do everything in my power to take care of my skin, and that is why I always go for a sheet mask post shaving, because it helps in calming the skin. It has these amazing superfoods. It gets absorbed in the skin. It's very nourishing and very moisturizing as well. So I give this therapy for a good 10 minutes and after that I remove it off. Because sheet mask has serum, I have used hyaluronic acid one. It's helping hydrating the skin. So I take the extra and I massage it on the skin for some time. I even take a gua sha, take a clean gua sha, guys. It helps in sculpting the face and also helps in making the absorption of product better on the skin. So yes, this is also very calming and very soothing. It helps in draining the lymph from the skin and just makes your skin feel better. So I always make sure that I'm using a gua sha. Now we are going to be moving on to next step, and the last one, that is going to be not exactly last one, guys. I am going to be using Serona's gel, and I'll apply it all over the face again because it has aloe vera. It has calming properties, and it is also going to soothe any kind of irritation I might get. Now last step in my shaving routine is going to be protecting my skin using a sunscreen. The Sirona's products are amazing, guys. If you go and check out the link in the description box right now, you're gonna get 50% off. The rating is amazing. Go and check it out, guys. I hope that you liked my routine.
So guys,
and
this
just
was it
if
for
you
this
haven't
video.
started
I
shaving
really
yet,
hope that
you can
find
give
the
it a
video
try.
helpful. And please make sure that you go and check out Sirona's products. The razors are amazing, guys. And also this aloe vera post wax and shave gel is gonna be perfect for your shaving routine. So yes, with that we have wrapped up today's video. The link is gonna be in the description box below. I will see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love y'all so much.